Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 16.2 question number 4. Question number 4 is if 31z5 is a multiple of 3 where z is a digit, what might be the values of z? Let us solve. Since 31z5 31z5 is a multiple of 3 is a multiple of 3 is a multiple is a multiple of 3 multiple of 3 multiple of 3 the sum of its digits the sum the sum the sum of its digits 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 will be a multiple of 3 will be a multiple of 3 will be a multiple of 3. That is sum of digits sum of digit of 31 z5 is equal to 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5, and that is equal to z plus 6, 7, 8, 9, z plus 9. Here z plus 9 is a multiple of 3. Here z plus 9 is a multiple of 3 is a multiple of 3 is a multiple of 3. This is possible. This is possible. This is possible when z plus 9 is any one of these numbers, any one of these numbers, 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, and so on. Since z is a single digit number, z is a single digit number, z is a single digit number, single digit number, the value of z plus 9, the value of z plus 9, value of z plus 9 can be only 9 or 12, 9 or 12, or 15, 15 or 18. And thus, and thus the value of thus the value of z comes to comes to 0 or 3 or 6 or 9 respectively. Thus z can have its values as as any of the four any of the four of the any of the four different values four different values four different values 0 3 6 or 9. Let us repeat once again. Here you see, since 31z5 is a multiple of 3, the sum of the digits will be a multiple of 3. Sum of digit of 31z5 is 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5, that is z plus 9. Here z plus 9 is a multiple of 3. This is possible when z plus 9 is any of these numbers, that is 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on. Since z is a single digit number, the value of z plus 9 can be only 9 or 12 or 15 or 18, and the value of z comes to be 0, 3, 6 or 9. The z can have its values as any of the four different values, that is 0, 3, 6 or 9. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.